Disney Orlando is an enchanting realm where aspirations are actualized and imagination knows no bounds. Within the magical confines of Disney Orlando, thrilling escapades await at every turn, beckoning you to embrace the extraordinary. Step into the captivating world of Disney Orlando and allow your inner child to roam freely amidst a symphony of delight and wonder. Disney Orlando is an amalgamation of nostalgia and innovation, where timeless characters and cutting-edge attractions converge. Embrace the ethereal charm that permeates the air of Disney Orlando, and let it ignite your spirit of exploration and boundlessness. Disney Orlando serves as a sanctuary for those seeking respite from reality, where exuberance and mirth reign supreme. Embark on a journey to uncover the limitless marvels of Disney Orlando, where each day unveils a new chapter in the storybook of life. Disney Orlando serves as a gateway to a realm where fantasy metamorphoses into reality, and the extraordinary becomes commonplace. In the realm of Disney Orlando, dreams transcend mere imagination, they are meticulously crafted into awe-inspiring experiences. Disney Orlando is a place where hearts remain perpetually youthful, and the enchantment of childhood memories lingers within every smile.